Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today video is very special if you are a student, if you are going in college. So today's video is for you. I'm going to tell you a story of my friend. When my friend take admission in an MBA course, he was very weak in his communication skills. But I advise him that you should learn English speaking. He started learning English speaking, learning vocabulary, and day by day he improves his English communication skills. Whenever he used to tell me that in the MBA we used to deliver the business plans. So when the business plans we need to deliver, or we may need to make the assignments in the MBA, so we need to speak in English, or we have to make a role play, or there are the several things which happens in the MBA program. So I told him that you should work on your English skills, and he take my advice, and he is now working in a MNC. So I would like to tell you also that you all are my friends, so I would like to tell you and give you the advice that if you are a college student, if you are going in college, so why you are going in college, why you are doing your courses, so you need to get a job. You need to get a job, that is why you are studying in a college. So if you are studying in a college and you want to get a good job, so you should work on your English, because there's data also that the people, those who can speak in English, can earn more money, and you can open a new opportunity for you. Even you want to go for overseas studies in Canada or Australia or New Zealand, but you need to qualify language test. So I would like to tell you why English is important, because English is very much required nowadays. I have told you the story of my friend who has sorry, who has worked on his English basic skills, and now he is working in MNC. You should need to know that if you want to get a job in MNC, you need to qualify the different rounds of the interview, like HR round, panel round, and communication, or the GD round. So if you will work on your English skills now, so you will need not to worry about the future of your career. So if you are in a college, if you are studying in any college, like if you are in Graphic Era, or if you are in Chandigarh University, or even you are in Lovely Professional University, wherever you are, you need to work on your English basic skills. So I am going to tell you what are these English basic skills which is very much required for you to improve your English communication skills. So these are the reading first. Read newspaper, read magazine, read any other book, whatever you like, but you need to read every day. If a runner wants to qualify a marathon or a 400 meters of race, he need to run every day, because to maintain his stamina, to makes him a better every day, and to work on his muscles as well, so that he can winner in the 400-meter race or the marathon. So same thing required with you. You have to train your mind, you have to train your brain to improve your English communication skills. So the first thing is reading. I would like to tell you that I also read newspaper every day. It also improves my English communication skills. Second thing I would like to tell you is, first is reading, and second thing you can do is vocabulary learning. If you will improve your vocabulary, so you will able to speak in English confidently and fluently like the native speaker. So vocabulary and the reading. Another one is listening. Try to listen English movies, try to watching English movie, try to listen English songs, or you can watch English media as well. There are the several channels like BBC, CNN, so there are the several channels, whatever you like you can listen. Another thing and the final thing is try to speak in English. If you are learning English, so try to speak in English. Your smartphone is your friend. If you do not have the smartphone, don't worry. Try to speak in English in front of the mirror, but you need to speak in English every day. If you really want to improve, so you have to speak English every day. So if you will do these practices of basic English, you will definitely able to speak English like native speaker confidently and fluently, believe me. Believe me, if you really want to speak in English, so just need to practice these exercises every day. You will definitely able to speak in English. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.